Hey everyone, it's Brad here, and in today's short lesson, I'm going to walk you through 2 essential beginner Irish tenor banjo exercises. And these are really simple, really effective and perfect if you're just starting out. Now, tabs will be on screen throughout the video, so please do pause it whenever you need to. And before we dive in, make sure to download my free Banjo Basics ebook. It's linked in the description below this video, and it goes hand in hand with all these lessons I put up here on YouTube. Let's move on to exercise 1. So this one's a D major picking pattern. All in 8th notes. It's great for timing and alternate picking. Now by alternate picking, all that means is down, up, down, up, down, up style picking. I have done a couple of other videos on that as well, so please check them out. Now for the first exercise, keep the left hand relaxed. We're not actually going to be fretting anything in bar number 1. We're focusing completely on clean alternate picking and getting used to the sound of the D major note. Now bar 1, we're going to start on this D string here, and we're going to do down, up, then onto the A string, down, up, E string, down, up, and then the A string, down, up. So together, that's bar number 1. Let's move on to bar number 2. Now we need to put a finger on fret number 2 on this E note. It's fret 2 of the D string. Curl the finger around, press hard, and we're going to play that note twice. Then the A twice, E string twice, A string twice. So let's put that bar together. Let's move on to bar number 3. That finger that was on fret 2, now slide it along to fret 4. That note's called F sharp, and we're going to play that one twice, the A string twice, the E twice, and then back to A twice. So let's put that bar together. So that is the entire exercise. Let's start from bar 1 through to 2 and then bar 3. Here we go. Everything is played with steady 8th notes, and aim for consistent down, up picking, smooth, relaxed wrist on the left hand there, even timing, a clean tone on every note. Now do start slow, around 60 to 80 BPM, and loop it a few times until it feels comfortable. Now I've got my metronome set up here at 70 BPM, nice and slow. And we're just going to try this one together. Here we go. So I'll give you a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, just a nice little exercise there. Let's move on now to exercise number 2. This is a simple G and D chord exercise. Got some basic strumming and some quarter note picking. Now, let's bring in the first chord. This one's a G chord. You need a finger on the 2nd string up from the bottom, fret 2, and the bottom string, fret 3. And we strum all the strings. That is our G chord. Now, we're going to strum this G chord 4 times in quarter notes. So 1, 2. Next up, we have the D chord, the D major chord. We just need to put a finger on the bottom string, fret number 2. And again, we're just going to strum the bottom 3 strings. So 4 of them. Next up, we're going to pick the notes out of the D chord. So that's the D, A, F sharp, A, and then in bar 4 we're going to do the exact same thing again. So I'm just going to play through that exercise for you. So here is bar 1 to bar 2, bar 3, bar 4. So again, we're going to play along with the metronome. I've got it set up here at 70. We're going to keep it nice and simple. Here we go. I'll give you a count of 4. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one just shows you some smooth chord transitions, how to stay in time while strumming, how to move cleanly into picking after a chord, and 3 chord notes from the D major chord, which is D, F sharp and A. Now once you've got it down, try looping the whole 4-bar pattern 2 or 3 times just to get used to all those chords and that little exercise of picking the notes from the D major chord. And that's it. 2 quick, simple beginner exercises that will massively improve your picking control, timing, and overall coordination on the Irish tenor banjo. If you've enjoyed this, download my free Banjo Basics ebook. Again, link in the description below this video. Hit that like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments which exercise you preferred. And if you'd like a little bit more personalised help, I offer one-to-one online via Microsoft Teams and Zoom. Check out my website, www.bradleyoverton.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.